In this video tutorial, you will learn how to add nofollow links to your WordPress. The nofollow tag tells search engines to ignore that link. It tells the search engine not to go further than the line we create. Some examples of when to use nofollow links are comments on your blog. Some of the people will intentionally link spam or untrusted links. In this instance, you should use nofollow links in WordPress in all of the comments. Advertisements or sponsored content. Any links that are meant to be advertisements or are a part of a sponsorship agreement must be nofollow. Links we are not confident about or untrusted links. As described before, having a link that refers to a site with suspicious data will directly hurt your site. To be safe, you should avoid linking these in the first place. But if you must, absolutely use the nofollow attribute. There are two methods you can use to add the nofollow links. First, by manually editing the code, and second, by using a plugin. Let's start with the first method. To show you how to add a nofollow link manually, let's start by creating a new link, and then adding nofollow to it. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts, then click on Add New. Let's write some text that we will link. Highlight the text. Then click here to insert a link. Add a URL, then click here on Apply. Now switch from the visual mode to the text mode by clicking here. This is the HTML text for the link we just created. You can see the URL we linked here. Now right next to the URL, we will write the nofollow code. So click here and then write REL equal apostrophe nofollow apostrophe. That's it. All you have to do is add this code to add a nofollow attribute to your post. Method number 2. If you do not want to add the code manually every time, then you can install the Title and Nofollow for Links plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Title and Nofollow link and press Enter. This is the plugin we're looking for. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating. When the installation is complete, this button will change to Activate. Click on this button to activate the plugin. After the plugin gets activated, you will be redirected to the plugins page. Now let's create a new link again and add nofollow using this plugin. But this time, instead of adding the link here, click on this gear icon. Now you can see we have some options. First, enter the destination URL. And now you have an option to add a nofollow link. Click on it. You can turn this setting on if you want the link to open in a new tab. And then just click on Add Link. And that's all you have to do. This is how you can add nofollow links to your WordPress website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.